Guys, the stopper cover should be mandatory on all pull stations in public areas where there can be a high chance of someone tampering with them. So we can prevent false fire alarms. And I think there needs to be a law passed requiring all pull stations in public buildings to have the stopper covers over them to protect the pull station from damage or to prevent malicious alarms. And if anyone doesn't want to install the stopper over the pull stations, then they're going to get fined quite a bit. Yeah, we cannot have fire alarm pull stations exposed to our hands. Yeah, because what will happen if you're not careful, then you pulled the alarm and got into big trouble. And with the stopper, there's an alarm in it that sounds now. The stopper's over the pull station. When you lift it, it's like that. And that alarm is there to prevent someone from pulling the fire alarm for no reason, because it will grab a lot of attention, and the person pulling the alarm will be caught. I mean, I think every single pull station that is visible to the public should have a stopper over it, so we do not have false alarms caused by manual pull stations. I mean, I hope they never make that mistake again in a building where you leave the fire alarm pull stations exposed to the hands. Because that was a big mistake, because someone will not be careful and all of a sudden it gets pulled and they get in trouble. And they're curious kids not knowing what they're doing, and all of a sudden that thing gets pulled. Yeah. Fire alarm pull stations are there so we can manually activate the fire alarm system if there's a fire. But the problem with those things is that they get pulled for not a good reason. In the lifetime of every single fire alarm pull station, it was activated for not a good reason at all. because some kid pulled it. Not good. This is why we should put a stopper over those pole stations so we do not have that many false fire alarms caused by those red things on the wall. Bye.